What's up, YouTube? I am back. After almost 4 years, I am finally back to make some more videos. I feel like it's been long enough since my last set of videos. So I'm coming back just because recently I've been looking over my old videos. I was like, dang man, I really used to do this. Like, I really should have updated you all because I had some, a few followers who watch my videos, and I really should have been doing it consistently, but I got busy with school and stuff and trying to get into college and everything. Back then I was in high school, my junior year, so I was working like 3 different jobs at that time for no reason at all. Like, I just wanted money. But since then, of course, I graduated high school, I got into college, and I just been doing my thing. I'm in nursing school right now. It's my junior year. That's about it. I am right now. This is about 6 years. 6 years, 4 months. It's March. March 2018, and right now, what I'm about to get ready to do is an apple cider vinegar rinse. You probably see these all around YouTube. So you know what it is. You have your basic sea salt, baking soda, lemon juice, and your apple cider vinegar. And what it does is it basically strips your hair or build up. I think I've done one of these before, but I'm not sure if I made a video. But it basically strips all the build up out of your dreads. I haven't done it since I was like 2 years in, so it's about that time. I'm pretty sure the water will get really dirty. So I'm gonna record the process and show you all after, like, what it looks like compared to right now. Because if you see it right now, it looks pretty nasty. My roots are dirty. I got a little bit of build up in my dreads that you can notice, like, if you look very closely. But I mean, I'm not gonna say my hair is too bad, because my hair is never too bad. I try to keep it done. And if you want the link check, here you are now. Flip it to the back. It's a little bit down my back, but not too far. But it's grown a lot over the past 6 years. I'm happy with the progress. Since my last videos, I've just been letting it grow, really. I get it retwisted about once a month, a little bit more probably sometimes, depending on if I have to go somewhere or if I have an event or anything to go to or an interview. But I get it retwisted. Usually I get it retwisted and then get it 2-strand twisted or braided with 3. But last time I was like, it's been like 5 months since I seen my hair straight. So I wanted to get it just a regular retwist. So I did that. But I felt like now was a perfect time to do an ACV as I came back to YouTube, start my hair fresh. And hopefully this is a great experience. I'm doing it by myself this time, no help. So we shall see how it goes. But one more thing. With this channel, I will also be doing other things. I won't be doing just dreadlock updates. But if you want to see something with my hair, like something related to my hair, just leave a comment below and tell me what you want to see. If you have any questions, I can do a Q&A video with question and answer. So just leave a comment below and I can make a whole video or just answer your question in the comments. But other than that, I would like to do I probably do like vlogs or something sometimes about college life, nursing school, tips and tricks to help you get like into nursing school, to pass tests, surviving college, remembering college, because I really think that remembering college is very important, because in high school I really didn't do much. So it's not a very memorable experience for me, but college is like totally different. I do a lot. I'm in a fraternity. I'm homecoming king this year. It's just a lot. I do a lot. Also, I will be doing like thrifting videos, because I go thrift shopping for a hobby. Like, I just find random stuff. in thrift stores. Now, I really enjoy doing that. Outfit ideas when it comes to like thrift shopping. So I might go into a thrift store, pick out a whole outfit, and do like a whole outfit thing for a video, and like arts and crafts stuff. Cause I like I be bored, so you know, why not do arts and crafts with somebody? And I'll probably have other people on video, people from my nursing class and stuff, some of my friends, to come help me with some of these videos, because you know they like doing stuff like that. And they also want me to do like challenges, like different tags that you see on YouTube. One thing I did on my Snapchat was like uh, different types of females you date, different types of males you date. So I'll probably incorporate that into my YouTube channel and post that. The girls really want to do that one, so I will record that video and let them do it, let them go ham on us. But what else do I have? Oh, current products that I use. I really don't be using too much for my hair. I use Jamaican mango and lime to retwist my hair, and the shampoo, because I like the tingling shampoo. For conditioner, I don't think I have any right now, or it's in the room. But I use, let me see if I can find it real quick. I have a whole bag, so this is the retwist. It's the cool scalp one. It really like, you feel a breeze on your scalp when you use it. So I like that one. This shampoo, it's a tingling shampoo, and I like the way that one feels too. And this protein conditioner, because I need to add a little bit of nutrients back into my hair after I get done taking it all away, especially after this ACV rinse. But I have like really bad dandruff. So sometimes I use like Selsun Blue and stuff like that to like relieve that dandruff. But like I can get a retwist, and I have dandruff back in my head in the next 5 days. And it's like, it's ridiculous. So sometimes I get tired of it. Like, man. But it's been for my whole life. So at this point, I'm kind of used to it. But I'm trying to use different things to like alleviate that dandruff. But also I use this island oil for my scalp almost daily, probably every other day. I haven't been using this stuff lately. This is No More Itch Spray for the dandruff. It helps, but I just forget to use it. So maybe I'll start using it again since I have it. And I do not know why I have so much Jamaican mango and lime. I just realized how much I add, because I usually don't use this at all, especially the conditioner. I usually use different products for conditioner. But I think I was just in the store. I was like, I'm just picking something up real quick. And it's not bad, but it's not the best thing out there. But that's it for products. I use coconut oil too. But and I think that's about it. I'm gonna start getting into the ACV rinse. But just real quick again, if you want to see anything on my channel, just let me know in the comments, and I will try my best to put it in here, and I will try my best to stay consistent with these videos. I'm not saying I'm gonna give you a video every week, but as I see a need to post a video, I will. If you want to see anything, and I'm like, that's a good idea, or my friends like give me an idea, and I'm like, that's a good idea, and they want to help me with the video, I'll do it real quick, and I'll post it, because I have free time now. My nursing school is kind of crazy, but I try to make free time to do things that I want to do. So we will see. But now I'm going to get into the ACV rinse. I just did apple cider vinegar rinse one time, and like you can see all the build up, like all the product in my head starting to like come out. It's like real gooey feeling. So I'm gonna do it one more time, and then I'm gonna wash it real good and condition it real good. But I will come back after I finish the second ACV rinse. Okay, so I really want to show y'all this real quick, if I can get it real good. But if you can see, zoom out a little bit, all this build up like in my head, and it's like, it's not even from the last retwist, because it comes up to about right here, this much. It's just like white build up, and it's like thick. But it was definitely time for this rinse, because it's like, it's really thick goo all in my head, and I feel like the second one is very much needed, maybe even a third, because this is ridiculous at this point. Round two, I feel like it got worse, but it's really getting all the build up out my head. But I'm scared to do it for a third time, because it's stripping everything out my head. So I'm gonna take a shower, and I'm gonna wash my hair in the shower, and if I feel like I need to do it again, I will. But for now, I'm done. But this is like really bad. I'll come back after I shampoo and condition and give y'all another update and let y'all see what's going on. Okay, I'm finally done. I ACV rinsed twice, and it was disgusting. The water was really bad. I was gonna do it 3 times, but I didn't want to, like, I was scared to take so much out of my head one time and not be healthy. But I did it twice, and then I got in the shower and I washed and conditioned it. Really, really good. I washed it like 3 times, and then I conditioned it really well. But I pretty much got everything out. It looks very like clean and, I don't know, way better than it did before. I don't know, it just seems darker to me, I guess, since it's not as faded from the build up. I will be getting it retwisted tomorrow, and probably like 2-strand twist again. But you see, this is the link with it wet back. But I'm satisfied. I probably should do these rinses more often, so I might start doing it every 4 months or every 6 months, not too often, because it does take a lot out of your hair, and you really don't want to like take all the nutrients out of your hair. So I did wash and condition it very well. I think that's it. I will be coming back soon with another video, but it probably won't be a dread video. I might, in the other video, my hair probably will be twisted, so if you wanted to see a retwist, then check that video out. If you want to see the texture of my hair, the curl pattern, whatever you call it, this is as good as I can get it right now. do have a lot of new growth, so I'm ready to get it retwisted. And like I said before, if you had anything to say, if you want me to add anything to my videos, if you want me to do anything in my videos, show you different things that I do or things that you think I should do, some tips, anything, just leave it in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tell a friend, share it, and whatever. Thank you.